Well, as my shirt says, mascara and coffee. I've already had my coffee, and so now I'm ready to put on some mascara. Hi everyone, I'm Kat, and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today we are, of course, doing the August Petit Vour unboxing. I'm super excited for the box this month, and I had a little bit of a saga getting a hold of the box. I am an affiliate with Petit Vour, which means they send me the box, but as you guys know, I always give you my honest thoughts about what's in the box each month. And if you choose to shop through Petit Vour using any of my links, I do make a small commission, and that just helps me to keep Naturally Beautiful Girl up and running. It doesn't add any additional cost to you. And also, if you're interested in signing up for the Petit Vour box, I have a discount with the code NVG25, which will get you 25% off your first box if you do a 3-month subscription. So, Petit Vour is a cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic beauty subscription box of products ranging from hair care, skincare, body care, to makeup. And I really like it because you get a good selection of different products, and it's at a pretty affordable price. As I teased, I actually had a bit of an adventure trying to get a hold of the August box. Petit Vour accidentally shipped my first box to my old address. I moved in April, and we're not really entirely sure how it happened. And then when they tried to ship me another box to my correct address, instead of shipping the August box, they accidentally shipped me the July box. I happen to have an extra July box that needs a good home, so I'm going to be having a giveaway of the July box. The information on how to enter the giveaway will be in the description box down below. I am going to say though, I will likely not be shipping the products in the box. I'm probably going to take them out and ship it a different way. You might not get the physical box, but you will receive the products in the box. There also will probably be a little bit of a delay in me picking the winner of the giveaway and with shipping the box, just as a heads up, because I am going to be traveling to China. Like, I'm posting this video and then in less than a week I will be in China. So there's going to be a little bit of a lag with that, but as soon as I get back from China, I will get that all sorted out. So just check the description box down below to find out how to win the July Petit Vour box. With that being said, I'm going to jump in and show you what's in the August Petit Vour box and give you my first impressions on the products. So the first product in this month's box is a mascara. And this is from Harvest Natural Beauty. It's a lengthening organic mascara. I've not heard of this brand before, so I'm really quite curious to try out the mascara. This is what the package looks like. It is a matte black tube, and let's see what kind of wand we're dealing with here. All right, we've got a pipe cleaner wand. So this is like a traditional mascara wand, not a silicone wand. So let's go ahead and apply this. Here's the mascara on one eye and then no mascara on this eye. I'm actually pretty impressed. It did give me quite a bit of length. It is a drier formula, which I like personally. I find that I get better results with a drier formula. The con of a drier formula is that it dries out faster, but with a drier formula, you don't really have that waiting period of opening a mascara, waiting for it to dry down before getting really good. So honestly, so far, I'm quite impressed. I obviously will have to see how it wears throughout the day, how, you know, it performs over a longer period of time. So in my September, that's crazy to say, but in my September Petit Vour unboxing, I'll give you an update on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, but so far so good. And the value of that mascara is $18, and it's supposed to be waterproof and smudge proof and good for sensitive eyes. So we'll see, but so far I love the results of it. So the next product got me really excited because I already know that I love this product. And this is the Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum, and I have had a full size of this product that I've been using since April. This is a travel size. The value of this travel size is $15. I think the full size is like close to 30 something. I don't remember off the top of my head, but this is valued at $15. And I was so pumped to see this because, as I mentioned, I'm traveling to China and I bring my little 3-ounce glass bottle of this with me every single time I travel. I risk it, but my skin responds so well to this blemish clearing serum that I am afraid to go without it for any period of time, including when I'm traveling. So this will be perfect. I'm going to be throwing this in my skincare bag and bringing this with me. It's going to be a lifesaver. I first purchased this product back in April. I have oily, acne prone skin, and one of the reasons I first purchased this product is because it does have salicylic acid and it has a listed percentage of it. A lot of non-toxic skincare say they contain salicylic acid from willow bark extract, but they don't give you a percentage of it, and you need that percentage to know how much is actually in it. And this product has 0.75%, which is it's not a huge percent, but it's a decent enough percent where it's actually going to make a difference for your skin, but not be overly drying. I did have to have a little bit of an adjustment period when I started using this. I was able to use it every day without getting drying. However, I wouldn't say it burned, but like I could feel it when I would put it on when I first started using it. Over the past few months of using it, I don't get that sensation anymore. If you are not used to using any sort of salicylic acid product or really have sensitive skin, I really would start using this product like every other day and not go every single day with it, just to let your skin become accustomed to it. But it really has made a world of difference with my breakouts. I still have breakouts. I've got some right now. It's the time of the month for me where I'm going to get breakouts. That's okay, but this really helps to keep them from getting really bad. It helps them to move along a lot faster. And honestly, it's made me feel so much more comfortable with my skin, with the condition of my skin. I feel comfortable wearing more minimal makeup, which is exciting. So I am here for it. If you have acne prone skin, this is the product I recommend. One of my best friends, she also struggles with acne, and I like strong-armed her into buying it at Credo. She bought it because she saw the difference in my skin from how it went before using this to after using this. And yeah, it's really, really good. So if you get it in this one's box, check it out. If you aren't subscribed to the Petit Vour box and have acne prone skin, go check it out. This is amazing. I love it. So this box has a lot of skincare in it, which I'm all here for. Another skincare product we got in this month's box was the Derma-E Radiance Toner. This is a glycolic acid and rooibos toner. I've not tried a lot of Derma-E products. I keep hearing a lot about Derma-E, but I just haven't had the opportunity to try many of their products. So I was really excited to see this. Also, I always hear people in conventional beauty talking about the Pixie Beauty Glycolic Acid Toner, and I've not tried that because, Pixie Beauty, though it does have cleaner ingredients, it doesn't have the cleanest. So when I saw this in the box, I was like, perfect. I have been using this. I've used it twice, and what I do is I take it and put it onto one of my reusable cotton rounds from Marley's Monsters and then wipe it over my face. Even though it is a glycolic acid toner, it's not stripping my skin, it's not overly drying. And that's one of my main complaints with toners overall, is I don't like toners that make my face feel dry. This one certainly doesn't. I haven't used it enough to really see a big difference in my skin. I will let you know next month really if there is a big difference in the appearance of my skin. Well, we'll see how much I can determine by the end of the month because I'm traveling. I'm not sure I'm going to take this with me traveling, but I will continue trying this out and keep you updated. I would say, just as a heads up, like both of these are very active skincare. So especially if you are not used to using more active products or have sensitive skin, I would be very cautious about going in with both of these products at the same time. I would kind of make sure to alternate them, not use them on the same nights as each other. And maybe like do this once a week and then throw this in a couple times, just kind of build up and not just like charge it with both of these, just because they are active, they do have acids in them, and you just want to kind of listen to your skin and proceed appropriately. But so far I am really liking this. This is a 1 fluid ounce sample, and the value of this is $2.50. Also, let me know in the comment section down below, would you like me to test out either more Juice Beauty skincare products like their acne line, and do like a review on that, and or would you like me to test out Dermy skincare? Let me know that in the comment section down below if you'd like to see either of those videos. Continuing along, this is another exciting skincare product. This is from Hanwha Skincare, and this is the Paakai. I'm really butchering things today. I'm not entirely sure how to say this, but this is their cleansing cream. And this has Hawaiian salt, hibiscus, and seaweed. And the value of this is $12. This is actually not the first Hanwha skincare product that I've tried. I have the Hanwha Malu Protecting Day Cream SPF 30 and the Moana mask as well from Hanwha Skincare. And I got those in a Beauty Hero box, and I really like them. In fact, I've been using this summer as my daily SPF. I think I like the Josh Roseberg formula just a smidge better, but this does work quite well on my oily skin. So I was really excited to see this cleansing cream from Hanwha, and even though I have oily skin, I typically don't like cleansing creams or more creamy cleansers because I don't feel like they actually get my skin clean. This one does do a good job of actually cleansing my skin. I've used it at night and in the morning. I've used it as a second cleanse at night after I do an oil cleanse to remove my makeup, and I've also just used it in the morning to really just kind of rinse off any oil or leftover skincare from the night before. And I personally would prefer using it in the morning just because I like to use a more heavy duty cleanser at night, something that kind of suds up a little more. This is not very sudsy, so that's something to keep in mind, but it's very gentle, but it still cleans. So if that sounds like something you would like, I think it's very worth checking out. It's also not at all drying or stripping, which I like, and it's a really fun, pretty pink color. Like, I am into beautiful skincare. Like, if it's a fun color, I'm sold. But I am really enjoying this, and I'm glad I got to test this out. And once again, the value of this is $12. And the final product we got in this month's box is from Envie Desoir. And this is a perfume. It's a violet and rose perfume. Okay, so I definitely get the rose and the violet in it. It's not my favorite scent. It's a bit powdery for me personally. Yeah. I realized actually that I have a really hard time finding perfumes that I like. I guess I just have a very particular taste in perfume, and there are very few that I like genuinely love. I actually really don't wear perfume that often for that reason. So this one's not my favorite, but if you like very floral, powdery perfumes, I think it's nice. The value of this perfume is $5, and so that means the total value of this box is $52.50, which is quite impressive. So this is a really good box this month. I'm honestly very happy with the mascara, the cleanser, of course the Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Serum, and the toner. So I'm really excited about the box. It's a good collection of products, and so yeah, if you guys are getting this month's box, let me know in the comment section down below what products you're most excited about, and I'm going to go ahead and do a review of the July Petit Vour box. So this is going to be a bit of a step through of what you could be winning in the giveaway as well. So the first product we got was the Terra Mer Eye Primer, and I have tried this out. I think I like the Ilia Pure Eye Primer just a bit better. It's better at intensifying shadows. This one is about equivalent with the Ilia Pure for improving the longevity of eyeshadows, but the Ilia Pure just does a better job of kind of amping them up and making metallics more metallic. So for that reason, I prefer the Ilia Pure, but this one is vegan and cruelty-free, whereas the Ilia Pure is just cruelty-free. I believe it contains beeswax, so it's not vegan. So if you're looking for a vegan option, I would say this is definitely worth checking out. I have gotten more accustomed to the tone of it. It does show up on my skin because I am so fair. As you can see, it is a tinted primer. It's not totally clear, but if I put a little bit on and I'm just careful not to get too much on my eyelid, I can make it work and still get the eyeshadows to show up and not have this look kind of weird and splotchy on my lids. So I do like it. I just prefer the Ilia Pure, but this is a solid option. It doesn't make my eyelids get dry or anything like that, so it is good. Another product from the July box that I really enjoyed is the French Girl Organics Vitamin C Polishing Wash. And this is a powder, and you pour it out and then you mix it with water, and then you can use it to wash and exfoliate your face. So once again, another really beautiful pink product, but I really just liked it. It combined the steps of washing my face and doing a physical exfoliant all in one. I'm here for it. I really enjoyed it. It made it into my July favorites, and it's a product that I'm definitely going to keep using. One of the standout products from last month's box. We also got the Ursa Major Bright and Easy Flash Mask, and I'm just not as in love with this product as I would like to be. I just don't find that it does much for me. I have heard comments from other people with drier skin that it works really well, so it might just be with my oily skin that it's just not doing as much. I really didn't see much of a result when I used this. I've used this a couple times and just hasn't really done much, but you know, I'm gonna finish it up. The one nice thing about it is it is a 3-minute mask, so if you're running short on time, you can just do this and run out the door really quickly, but I just don't find that it really gives me results. And if I do a mask, I'd rather see results, so just not my favorite mask. The final product we got in last month's box was this Kalos After Hours Soothing Night Cream. And I didn't end up using this on my face because it contains coconut oil, and I really didn't want to put a night cream on that had coconut oil in it, especially with my acne prone skin. But one of you suggested to use this as a hand cream or body lotion, so I think I'm going to do that because I don't want to waste it. So I don't really have any feedback on it other than I really wish that they had formulated this without coconut oil. Really my favorite product from last month's box was the face scrub. It wasn't my favorite box overall, but I am really excited about the August box. I think that it's a really good one. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, and be sure to check out how to enter the giveaway, and good luck. If you liked seeing this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And also check out my Instagram. My handle is @naturallybeautifulgirl for more non-toxic, cruelty-free content. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!